share ko lang yung kaibigan ko na parating nagsasabi na mag-gym po tayo. Tapos ako, ang tagal-tagal ko naman naghintay. Kasi gusto ko naman talagang mag-gym. Hintay ako na hintay sa kanya. I-drawing lang naman pala. Hindi naman talaga siya pumupunta. So ayun, ako. Nag-iisa na lang ako na mag-gym. Kahit wala akong kasama, okay lang. Kasi, kung hintayin ko siya, mag-gym kaming dalawa, walang mangyayari sa akin. Siya, parang buntis. Hindi naman buntis na tunay. Wala namang boyfriend. Eh ako, parang buntis din. May boyfriend naman. So yun. Mag-iisa po akong mag-gym. So, guys, share me out. And thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you to all of my viewers, supporters, subscribers. Thank you po. So, if you want to become healthy, don't wait to your friends. Look sweet in your underarms. Diba? Sweeting. Kasi, don't wait to your friends. If you want to be rich, don't wait to your friend. Work hard. Dream big and work hard. Para makita ng kaibigan ko ang aking pag-video, ang aking pag-vlog for today. Today is January 7, 2027. So here I am making a vlog here in YouTube world. Nag-gym alone. O diba? So, keep fighting. Vlog. Check, baby, check. Run for your life. So, angka. Okay, go. Running. Keep moving. 2 minutes. Yes. Huwag na hintayin yung mga friends na drawing. Sabi na mag-gym mo na naman yung nangyayari. Kaya ito, run for yourself. Running. Go. Yes. Run for yourself.